if you have your personal mission statement, your future vision obviously has to align with your personal mission, and it will help you reach it, the personal mission statement.
If not, where does it deviate, and what effect will that deviation have on my integrity, prospects, and overall life experience?
Yeah, because I can't say I'm doing the Alkestis method and then open up a, a Las Vegas casino. It just doesn't go. It just doesn't go. It doesn't, then it's not aligned with my mission statement and my ethos. It might be a great business opportunity, juicy something, but it's not me. That's not who I am. Sorry?
I said, I think that now thinking about my mission statement,
yeah,
it ties in so much with what I just said.
Wonderful. That's the way we should be going, because everything needs to align and be focused. Okay, are you being true to yourself? Like in Maria's case, that would be, your scenario would be something true to yourself, because you want to be the vet.
Yeah.
You're studying something else right now, but that scenario is aligned with who you are.
Yeah.
It's aligned with your truth. Okay. Your scenario goes very well with who you are. What I know, living on an island, having an online business, you manifest. Yeah, you're either going to let them drag you down, or you're going to switch friends and be more with more dynamic people who believe in you and believe in your dreams, and not tell you, well, you're a little too overactive. You have to hang around with people, not people who drag you down and criticize you. When Einstein left Germany, he went to America, his life opened up. When he was under Nazi Germany, he was considered a Jew, he was suppressed, he couldn't even get the Nobel Prize. Then he went to the States and he was recognized. So you can't be a fish out of water. The environment has to feed you. And if it's not feeding you, you have to create it so that it feeds you, or at least avoid the environment that's pulling you, because you're going to have to sacrifice your comfort, your relationships, many things, especially in the beginning. Like I said, I had to argue with my father. I left him. I took my €1,000 and dollars then, and I just went to Rome, and I took the risk, and I'm not saying that it has to be that dramatic. But sometimes you say, I have to do this now or never type thing.
Why Rome?
I didn't even know I was going to end up in Rome, frankly. I left home and I knew I wanted to go to Turkey because my roots are from Turkey. My mom was from Istanbul. I wanted to discover my roots. So I said, I'll do a little kind of tour of Turkey. I ended up near the border with Iraq. I wanted to continue to Iraq, but there was the war there, the first Gulf War. And I met a group of Italian students, and I said, well, I'll come along with you to Rome since I can't go on because I wanted to go to see the antiquities. So then, I started, as I said, as a waitress, and I got into teaching.